Hello guys, welcome to Let's Talk Diesel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how can you remove the light switch on Volvos. These light switch are from 2010 through 2017, and it seems hard to remove, but it's easier than it seems. Alright guys, and one of the reasons why you need to replace the light switch, okay, it's the emergency lights are not working. Like for example, you are depressing the emergency lights and you see like nothing's happened. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work, or if the lights are not turning on. These are the common problems that I have seen on these kind of switches. Alright, so to start, what you're gonna need to remove the light switch, okay, there are two tools. Alright, okay, you have a Torx 25, okay, in here, and a flathead screwdriver. These are the only tools you're gonna need for this kind of job. Alright, first we're gonna remove this part in here. You see this mold that you see in here. The way you do that is like you open in here first. See, you see, you put the flathead there, you pull this out. See, you there, you pull this out. Let me take a better look. When I completely remove, you see, pull it out from here. It is too tight. Use again the flathead in here. You see, and it come out already. And there you have it. When you remove this part, the only thing you have to be careful is this part in here, because if you open it from here first, you're gonna break this, and when you put it back, it won't close in here nicely. There's gonna be a gap, you know, in here, between this part in here. There's gonna be a gap. Okay guys, so next, all right, we're gonna remove with the Torx. All right, we're gonna remove this part in here. Okay, remove these two bolts. You see, this one is loose already. Yeah, okay. So we remove it, 1 and 2. Okay, and now this thing is loose, the whole thing here. See, all right, but it will not come off yet. So next, we're gonna open here. See, like this, and so you can see it pops out. And now we have the switch, the connection in here. We're gonna remove it. Just the press here on the bottom. You see, this you have to press down. And it come off. Actually fall on the floor, but okay. So this is the switch. As you can see, you have to take it off this part, the whole thing out. Okay, and now to remove it, okay, it's easy. You see, it has two clips in here that you press down like this. Okay, you see, you press down like this, and here are another two, and it's out. When you are gonna replace this switch, just make sure it's the right one for your truck. Okay, because some of them they have fog lights, other ones doesn't have it. So this might be different, but just for this part. Okay, with that, this is without fog lights. put it like this, and this is with fog lights. All right, now once you have your new part and you are ready to install it, okay, make sure it has all the clips. Okay, these two clips in here and these two clips in here, and make sure this part is okay, there's no damage. And now we just pop it in, easy, you see. Okay. And it's in. Now we are gonna install it back and make sure, you see, the bend is okay. You can close it if you want, so that way you won't have troubles. You see, put it on this bend in here. Make sure you connect the switch, because I have seen before the people forget to connect the switch. All right, let me see, because I'm using one hand, guys, give me some time. I'm holding the phone. Okay, I'm gonna get it, you see, and it's in connection. Good. Now to put it in, you just put a little bit of pressure in here, you see, sliding nice and smooth. This one should close nicely, okay, should be open. All right, now we're gonna start the Torx 25. See, where did I put them? I have one here. All right. Okay, you just need to tie this one up. I'm looking for the other one. After you installing these two bolts, okay, as you can see, this is easy. It's not thing from another world. Okay. You make sure these two screws are tight, and the last part is to put it back. This part in here, and first thing you have to make sure this is sliding in here. Okay, look, sliding in. You see, like this. All right, so that way you won't break it, because if you break it, as I told you guys before, it's gonna be a gap in here, and if you like the look of your truck, you're gonna start saying, oh, I have to buy another one. So you just click this one in and say in here, see, and that's it. As you can see in here, right, when I use the flathead screwdriver, I make a scratch. So if you can use a smaller screwdriver, is fine for this, so that way you won't damage the you won't damage this part. It won't look that ugly in your truck if you really care about the looks inside your truck, guys. And that's all that I have for you guys today. You see, this part is easier to change. I believe it's one of the easiest part to change on a truck. I hope you like this video. I'm working in the Diesel 101 series. Sorry for the delay, but I want to make a good video about turbos. Make sure to stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't done yet, and welcome to the new people around the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.